Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're stepping into a world where rugged adventure meets luxury living, because the 2025 Ford Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. And when we say it has features more luxurious than a five-star hotel, we're not exaggerating, we're underselling it. Imagine pulling up to the edge of a mountain, lake glistening below, and stepping out of a fully decked-out suite that just so happens to have wheels. That's what Ford has done with the 2025 Fief Motorhome. They've created a mobile palace that doesn't just bring the comfort of home, it redefines it. Let's start with the exterior, because this isn't your typical bulky RV. It's built on Ford's all-new heavy-duty chassis with bold LED lighting, an aerodynamic profile, and rugged off-road capability. You've got 22-inch alloy wheels, active air suspension, solar panels across the roof, and yes, an automatic awning that extends with a voice command. Pop open the motorized side steps and step inside. And here's where the jaw really drops. The interior is straight-up luxury. We're talking handcrafted wood trim, ambient lighting in 64 customizable colors, real leather recliners with built-in massage and heat functions, and floors that are not only heated, but finished in polished marble. A digital control center puts everything at your fingertips. Lights, shades, climate, entertainment, all run by Ford's AI-based smart sync system. The kitchen? Better stocked than most city apartments. You've got a full-sized refrigerator with a touchscreen interface, a convection oven, an induction cooktop, and quartz countertops. Oh, and a built-in espresso machine, because mornings should start with style. Now to the living area, where a 70-inch OLED TV rises from the cabinet with a tap. Surround sound? Absolutely. Powered by Bang & Olufsen. Streaming, satellite, Xbox, PS5, all pre-installed. There's even a virtual fireplace that emits heat and visual flames for that cozy cabin vibe. And yes, there's a private bedroom with a king-sized memory foam mattress, skylight with stargazing mode, and blackout smart glass that tints at the touch of a button. Every inch screams comfort. But it doesn't stop there. The bathroom features a rainfall shower, heated toilet with a bidet, anti-fog mirror, and even aromatherapy built into the ventilation. Tell me which hotel gives you that on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Motorhome is powered by a hybrid 7.3L V8 paired with dual electric motors, giving you both raw power and silent cruising. It tows effortlessly, drives smoother than most SUVs, and has a range of over 700 miles thanks to regenerative braking and solar recharge assist. And if you're worried about connectivity, don't be. You've got Starlink-grade satellite internet, 5G booster tech, and an integrated workstation that transforms into a digital nomad's dream setup. So, is it over the top? Absolutely. But that's the point. The 2025 While Ford Motorhome isn't just for road trips, it's for those who want to live wherever they want, without giving up anything. Would you trade in your apartment for this on wheels? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Engine Explorer for more game-changing machines like this. We'll see you in the next one.